Papaya, often called the fruit of angels, is more than just a sweet and refreshing tropical treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that offers incredible health benefits for your body and skin. In today's video, we'll explore why you should add this miracle fruit to your diet. Hi everyone, welcome to Bliss. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of papaya. First, let's talk about what makes papaya so special. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. It also contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. If you struggle with bloating or indigestion, eating papaya regularly can work wonders for your gut health. Papain helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Did you know that one small papaya can provide over 200% of your daily vitamin C needs? That means stronger immunity to fight off colds, flu, and other illnesses. Let's talk about skin health benefits. Now let's talk about skin. Papaya is a natural skincare hero. Its vitamin A and antioxidants can help reduce wrinkles, clear acne, and improve your skin's elasticity. Plus, that papain enzyme we mentioned earlier, it acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin radiant and smooth. Here's a simple DIY for you. Mash up some fresh papaya, mix it with honey, and apply it as a face mask. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse. It's like a mini spa day at home. Papaya for heart and eye health. Papaya is also great for your heart and eyes. Its antioxidants like lycopene reduce the risk of heart disease, while the vitamin A supports good vision. So it's not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a full-body health boost. Papaya isn't just a fruit, it's nature's gift to your health and beauty. Whether you eat it, blend it into a smoothie, or use it as a skincare treatment, the benefits are endless. Have you tried incorporating papaya into your routine? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.